morning. You're watching FloorDaily.net. We're at Surfaces 2020, and I'm in the Phenix space with Mark Clayton, the president, and Jason Surratt, the senior vice president of design. You guys doing okay?
We're great, Kemp. Thanks for coming to see us.
Yeah, Jason?
Doing great, thanks.
It's good to be with you guys. A lot of news with you guys. I think at midnight or 11:59 on Friday, you become an integral part and a missing part of Mannington Mills, right?
Absolutely. We're really excited about it and looking forward to closing the deal.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's big news. And you've also expanded the products that you've got. You've got a lot, gorgeous products here. We'll get into that in just a minute. Tell us a little bit, Mark, if you would, about what you've been focused on, how 19 was.
Yeah, well, so looking at 19, obviously everyone knows the carpet industry was challenged a little bit. Continue to see great improvements in the hard surface category, and carpet from an industry standpoint was down a few points. Fortunately, we performed a little better than that, so obviously we'd like to see the market and the category grow and continue to grow, but we have seen consumers continuing to choose carpet. They've changed the way that they're buying carpet. They're buying better end products, higher average selling prices, and more pattern. Rather than putting beige carpet throughout the home, they're being a little more adventuresome. So that's been good for us because that plays well to our design and our aesthetics. And as far as 2020 goes, we're expecting obviously to have another good year this year. I think the fact that we are becoming part of Mannington, which you referenced, has been really well received by customers. We've had a lot of interest in the space this morning from folks excited about what we're doing there. So we're looking forward to a good year.
Yeah, you had several stepping jobs going into this role, and I think you've ended up being the leader of. You made a good decision to come here, didn't you?
Oh yeah, it's been a great decision. I've been here. This is my 8th Surfaces with Phenix now, and what we've been able to do, just put together a tremendous team, and we've built a wonderful company here, and we're really excited about becoming part of Mannington because everything that we do is complementary to what they're doing. It's going to be a great joint.
If you don't mind me mentioning, just the beginning, what Phenix started as. It was loop techs, and it was kind of focused on the home centers, and
right.
it was solution dyed polyester, and you've expanded that, and you've gotten into a whole lot of different constructions, right?
Yeah, we have. Initially Phenix, or at the time was known as Loop Techs Mills, was as you mentioned, known for building commodity polyester products,
right.
An innovator in the solution dyed product category, big with the home centers, but over the years obviously began to expand into independent retail through the Phenix brand, and we have ultimately become a big supporter of the Stainmaster and their Pet Protect brand. And one thing we're really excited about is this year we're actually launching our own internally extruded solution dyed nylon, which gives us a good bridge between our value polyester products and that premium branded Pet Protect category. So getting a lot of good feedback. I think we're filling an important void in the market there.
Well, and you'd only be able to do that if you own Farr Yarns, right?
Absolutely. The Farr team has done a phenomenal job. A lot of development's gone into this yarn system. We wanted to make sure that what we brought to market was a premium yarn that will perform well and meet everyone's expectations, and the expertise we have at Farr allowed us to do that.
Well, it's good news that the consumer's paying a little bit more for carpet and buying, unique looks and not just a field of sameness, right?
Yeah, they're definitely looking to use carpet as an accent for the interior design of their home. So it's been that serves well for us.
Yeah. Jason, you've been over here 2 years? Is that right?
Almost 2 years now, yes.
Okay. And you've been given free reign on design. And tell us what you're most excited about this year.
Really, I think you look at some of the updates we've done in Modern Contours, which we unveiled last year, a very fashion-forward line. As customers have come in, that's really what they flock to, these big, heavy-handed tactile products, warp and weft, that just a little bit different, much more, it's a pattern, but it's relaxing to be on and comfortable to be on. And then our new SureSoft SDN, the nylon products, the patterns that we have in it, and then some of the coloring capabilities, being able to start from ground zero and just start with the brand new colors that are on trend now. It's been really fun to work with Farr and build that whole story of a whole new fiber system for us.
What are you calling that?
SureSoft SDN.
Okay, all right. Okay. And I noticed you were traveling recently all over the place in Europe. Is that were you seeking inspiration over there?
That's exactly what we were doing, is trying to find emerging trends before anybody else can. So heading across the pond and going to Maison and Objet and Paris, the mecca of design, and seeing what's going to be coming in 2021, 2022, and just trying to get a good jump start on it now.
And you guys are feeling good about 2020?
We are. We're feeling excited about it. One of the things I didn't mention that we're doing this year that's a big deal for us is most of the customers know that we have an exclusive license with Microban, antimicrobial technology. So this year it's official. We now have that on virtually all of our products with the exception of those branded Invista products. So our polyester platforms as well as our nylon platforms include that added feature and benefit. And Microban is a strong brand, great unaided brand awareness in the category. So again, just an added feature that adds credibility to the product without adding cost to the product for the consumer. So we're excited about that.
All right, great. This is a gorgeous product, and it's a crowded show too, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been very busy this morning, and like I said, I think the news of our relationship with Mannington and what's going on there is driving a lot of new customers to us as well.
It's good to spend time with you guys. Again, been talking to Mark Clayton, the president, and Jason Surratt, the senior vice president of design at Phenix. And you've been watching Kemp Harr and FloorDaily.net.